This project started by being invited, of course, and I started thinking about it by thinking about Venice and the room and what I would like to do, the canal. And as this room has a window to the canal, my idea was to do something with water. I wanted to bring the water inside. And then I was thinking how to do it, in which way to do it. Then there came the idea of turning the canal water into drinking water. And there it started. And then I had the first idea was to make people drink the water. But then I came to this point that it's too much a beginning and an end, that it should have some kind of futility, that the water comes in, goes around in the room, people can walk inside the water still, but then they have no access to the water. So this is why I came to this idea of Plan B. Plan A was to give the water to the people, and Plan B is to give the water back to the canal. First, of course, comes the technical point, how it should be done, but I made a drawing according to my own researches, and this drawing changed a couple of times during the process of making it according to technical necessities. I started working with engineers in a water purification system unit, and then according to what they said, I changed my project, I changed the positionings, but the main idea stayed, because this is a compact system. I took out all the parts of the system and put them individually in the room and lengthened the pipes. That's the main idea. So
and the colors
is working apart from each other. The tubes are my own idea of dirty color, for example, is violet. So it comes, the water, the salty water comes in violet color in the tubes, which are violet color, and then it gets out of its salt. Then it becomes dirty water, but still dirty, but not salty water. That's pink pipes, and then it gets cleaned up to be kind of quality that you can wash yourself, you can take a shower. That's the green part, and then the turquoise part is drinking quality, but it goes back to the canal.